it's not often that we are given the chance to speak up on stage about these topics.
Naghahanda na ang 7 Filipino stage performers para sa isang bagong stage reading ng script Malayo at Malaya o Far and Free na binuo ni Filipina playwright Abby Padilla para sa Advanced Theater Festival. Ibinibida sa nasabing festival ang scripts na gawa ng Black, Indigenous at People of Color na kababaihan o iba pang gender non-conforming playwrights at direktor. Ang fictional na kwento ng Far and Free tungkol sa magkapatid na nilisan ang Pilipinas noong dekada 80 dahil sa martial law, kung saan naiwan ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay para bumiyahe papuntang Canada.
Tackles different themes of not just migration, but really also like how do you grow up when you just want to live your life, but there are certain government policies that's happening in the Philippines that actually affect your everyday life.
Also going to feel longing for one's homeland, and most importantly, empowering people and making decisions on how they can succeed in life, choosing what's best for them, and achieving their goals as they go through life.
Higit 1 oras ang stage reading na iba sa theatrical performances dahil wala raw malaking set designs. Ayon sa director na si Angela Magpantay, sinusuportahan ng Advanced Theater Festival ang plays in development kung saan maaaring makita ng mga director at scriptwriter ang reaction ng audience bago mabuo o mapunta sa isang theater production.
Fantastic to have the audience actually just listen to the stage reading and really see what words, what they're really resonating with.
Weren't you just leaving?
On second thought, I should rally with the masses.
Mapapanood ang Malayo at Malaya o Far and Free sa Studio 103 sa Shadbolt Center for the Arts, Martes. Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.